Hi, I'm Mrs. Allen, and I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to start playing the tuba. So let's go! We're going to start with the mouthpiece because that's where the sound begins. Whenever you play a wind instrument, you have to form your embouchure. The embouchure is the shape of your mouth when you play. We are going to follow 3 steps to form the tuba embouchure. Step 1, say the syllable O, like boat or go. O. This keeps your tongue low inside your mouth. O. Step 2, say the syllable oo, like in moon or soon. O, oo. This sets the corners of your mouth into the correct playing position. Step 3, now squeeze. Imagine squeezing a tube of chapstick between your lips. This will tighten your lips towards the center and make everything firm. You can practice this with the shank of your mouthpiece. O, tongue in the bottom. Oo, corners firm. Squeeze. To make a sound on the tuba, you use the O-oo squeeze embouchure, all while blowing air into the mouthpiece and tuba. Since the tuba has such a large mouthpiece, our lips need to stay nice and relaxed inside the cup of the mouthpiece. Let's try with just the mouthpiece. Hold the mouthpiece gently between your thumb and your first 3 fingers. Now let's get our lips ready. O, oo. The tuba uses lots of air. Think about fogging up a window with warm air. If you don't get it at first, that's okay. Tuba takes practice, and everyone figures it out at their own speed. Now let's grab the tuba. This is the tuba, and this is the lead pipe where the mouthpiece goes in. When handling the tuba, remember never to carry it or hold it by the lead pipe. It is delicate, and if bent, the tuba won't work properly, and you could break it. Let's put the mouthpiece in the lead pipe. Be gentle putting it in, just give it a little twist. Now let's learn how to hold the tuba. Sit up tall on the edge of your chair with your feet flat on the floor. The tuba should rest on the chair. If you're smaller or shorter, you may need to sit towards the edge of your seat so the mouthpiece reaches you comfortably. You may also need a tuba stand. Bring the tuba to you. Don't lean your head down into the instrument. This is where a tuba stand may come in handy. Your left hand holds and steadies the tuba. Your right hand goes on the valves. And there's this tubing back here that your thumb can go on while your fingers are up here on the valves. Your fingers should look curved and relaxed, almost like you're holding a small ball. Try to use the pads of your fingers to press down the valves. Let's look at the valves. There are 3 valves on this tuba, but yours might have 4 valves. The valves go in order from left to right and from the player's point of view on this style of tuba and line up with your first 3 fingers. Each finger is used on a specific valve. On the first valve, you'll use your pointer finger or finger number 1. On the second valve, you'll use your middle finger or finger number 2. On the third valve, you'll use your ring finger or finger number 3. Now let's make some sounds. No need to press down any valves because our first note is an open note. You'll get one of 2 notes out, F or B flat. F is a higher pitch and B flat is a lower pitch. Take a huge deep breath, set up your embouchure, O, oo, squeeze, and fill up the tuba with fast, steady air. There's a chance that you could also get out high B flat. If you get a thin sound, your embouchure might be too tight, or you might not be using enough air. Loosen your embouchure and use more air. If you have a gargled sound, your lips might be folded over your teeth and your embouchure may be too loose. Check your embouchure, oh, ooh, squeeze, and try again. Oh, ooh. If you get an abrupt or intense sound, you might not be using enough steady air and your lips might be completely pinched together. So loosen up the grip on that squeeze and check that your tongue is in the bottom of your mouth. The tuba is a wind instrument and takes lots of air to get through all of this tubing. So make sure you take a deep breath. If you think about yawning, it's that type of breath I'm talking about. Now let's try it again. Set your embouchure, take a deep yawning belly breath, keep your tongue down, and fast air. Oh, ooh. If you made sound today, that's awesome. And if you didn't, that's okay too. Learning an instrument takes time, and every great tuba player started exactly where you are right now. You may need to watch this video a few times to remember everything, and that's completely normal. Just keep trying. Stay tuned for my next video, the first 5 notes on the tuba. Until next time, remember to do your best. Your best is always better than you think.